Hey everyone, I'm back with a brand new video for you. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps out the channel. Thanks, you're awesome. So, are you tired of juggling a gazillion tools just to keep your online business running? Do you feel like you're spending more time playing IT support than actually growing your business? I hear you. It's crazy frustrating to spend hours figuring out how to connect your email campaigns to your website, or feel like you're solving a Rubik's Cube in the dark every time you check your marketing stats. But what if I told you there's a way to make all that disappear? Yep, I'm talking about Systeme.io, the ultimate all-in-one platform that lets you create, market, and scale your business without the headaches. And today, I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning professional website in under an hour. Oh, and did I mention it's completely free to start? That's right, zero cost, no catch. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get to it. Now, before we dive in, let's answer one big question. Why even bother with a website? Your website is your digital HQ. It's where your audience discovers who you are, what you offer, and why you're the perfect solution for their needs. And with Systeme.io, you can build a website that not only looks incredible, but also turns casual visitors into loyal customers. Here's what we're covering today. Setting up your free Systeme.io account. Choosing the perfect template for your brand. Customizing your website step by step, no coding needed. Adding those essential elements that convert visitors into buyers. All right, let's kick things off. Step 1. Create your free account. Head to the link in the description below. It's your VIP pass to a free Systeme.io account. Click Get My Free Account, fill in your details, and boom, you're in. Once logged in, go to the Blogs tab. Don't let the name fool you. This is where all the website magic happens. Step 2. Choose your template. Systeme.io offers a library of sleek, professional templates that are fully customizable. Whether you're a coach, an e-commerce business owner, or a content creator, there's something for everyone. Personally, I'm a fan of the minimalist designs, clean, modern, and super easy on the eyes. Browse through, preview a few, and pick the one that best fits your style. Then hit Select Template. Easy, right? Step 3. Make it your own. Here's where the fun begins. Add your logo, tweak the colors to match your brand, and update the text. Systeme.io's drag and drop editor is ridiculously simple, no tech skills required. Want to showcase your services? Add a section? Need testimonials? Drop them in. It's like building with digital Lego, and the final result? A website that's as powerful as it is gorgeous. Step 4. Set up your pages. Your site isn't just a homepage. You'll need an About page to share your story and build a connection with your audience, a Services or Products page to showcase what you offer, a Contact page to make it easy for people to reach out, and if you're into blogging, a Blog page to share your expertise and keep people coming back. Pro tip: use the blog layout tool to customize your headers, footers, and menus across your entire site. It's a massive time saver. Step 5. Go live. Once everything looks perfect, hit publish. Want a custom domain? Systeme.io makes it seamless to connect one, no tech wizardry required. I've also got a detailed guide on my blog to walk you through it. Check the description for the link. Before we wrap up, a pro tip. Your website isn't just a pretty face, it's your sales engine. Here are a few things you need to include. A clear call to action on every page, whether it's sign up, buy now, or contact us. Make it obvious what the next step is. Social proof. Add testimonials or trust badges to build credibility. SEO basics. Systeme.io helps you optimize for search engines so people can find you effortlessly. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've gone from zero to having a fully functional website. How amazing is it to finally have a platform that works for you, not the other way around? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to building your online business? I'd love to help. And if you're ready to build your digital empire, Click the link below to get started with Systeme.io. It's free, it's easy, and it's exactly what you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy building.